This is the CMC Markets Connect Volatility Report. Shares in ASOS saw a second consecutive day of exaggerated price action on Wednesday in the wake of half-year earnings news. There had been speculation over what this reading would look like, but a revenue miss and fears that inflation will damage performance further in H2 is certainly taking a toll. Daily vol pushed out to 219%, slightly up from Tuesday's 203%, and against a monthly print of 106%. Commerzbank and Deutsche Bank both managed to recover some of Tuesday's losses after capital groups sold significant stakes in both entities. Trade had been somewhat choppy, with the result that volatility remains elevated. Commerzbank printing 161% on the day and Deutsche Bank 167%. This also drove interest in CMC's proprietary EU banks share basket for a second session, with daily vol here coming in at 73% against 57% on the month. In fiat currencies, the New Zealand dollar has been in focus after the country's Reserve Bank announced its biggest rate hike in 22 years, trumping market expectations in the process. The Kiwi has, as a result, made notable gains over the US dollar, but it's also stoking global inflation fears. Daily vol on the pair was recorded as 12.9% against 10% on the month. And rounding out with commodities, lumber remains a standout here, with prices continuing to slide or normalise against weakening demand. The underlying is testing fresh lows for the year, but the risk here has to be that supply disruption could initiate a prompt reversal. Daily vol printed 220%, although that's not much ahead of the monthly reading, which now stands at 214%. With the Easter weekend approaching, the next volatility report will be published on Tuesday, 19th of April.